Hey there, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite drinks. Usually I've used RumChata, but RumChata, I don't know, the alcohol volume's a little lower, I believe. It's not a little as high as the Chi-Chi's Churro. And RumChata, it has a good flavor, but I think the Chi-Chi's Churro really gets that good creamy churro RumChata-like flavor. Never mind my son in the background. But I take a tumbler. This is a tumbler from Sam's Club, and it's insulated and everything. It's kind of like the Yeti. It's basically a Yeti in reality, and it stays cold. So if you got a drink like this with liquor and stuff, it'll stay cold for a very long time, especially even in the heat. This is my favorite drink. What I basically do is I take 3 shots of the Chi-Chi's Churro, and then I fill it with half the cup with ice. And then the rest of it I fill with Diet A&W root beer. The root beer gives the extra flavor, gives that creamy flavor, and adds the vanilla flavor all together. And then it ends up tasting like a root beer float in the end. So it's really good, and you got to try it. And you know, you might, if you drink it fast enough, you might get a little buzz. So basically, here you are. You got Chi-Chi's Churro, you got your cup, and you take the RumChata shot glass and fill it with Chi-Chi's Churro. And I do that 3 times. I fill it 3 times. Basically, after you make the drink, it tastes amazing. I'm not kidding. Like, I love this stuff. I drink it daily, and I'm not joking. I have to tell the liquor store to keep filling it up. I don't get drunk, but it's not a lot to get you. But I mean, 3 shots, and I drink it over a few hours, and especially with a cup like a Yeti or something, an insulated cup like that, it'll last you all day. You can leave it sitting around, and it'll stay cold. Ice doesn't melt. Everything's great, and it's even half the price. Maybe actually more than half the price of RumChata. $10 at my liquor store for Chi-Chi's Churro, and it's usually about $20, $30 for a bottle of, I don't even know if that's equivalent to the Churro with RumChata, I mean, honestly. But I think the Chi-Chi's Churro, a little bit stronger, a little bit creamier, extra flavorful if you ask me, and it's cheaper. Check it out, try it, it's good, really good.